it's so good.
19279. That sounds like music to my ears. Ah!
Wow, scared me.
Hello friends, we are continuing with a series of speed multiplication, and in this video we are going to discuss multiplication by 11. Imagine you come across a situation where you have to multiply 423,152 by 11 for some reason. So you can of course use calculator to figure out the multiplication, but if you know this multiplication trick, it is a handy trick and you will be able to do it mentally and in seconds. We are not out to beat calculator. Calculators are just fine, but once you do this kind of multiplication, you get a better understanding of mathematics, and it is it kind of an interesting window to the nature of numbers, how the numbers behave and their properties. This is why we are interested in speed multiplication, not just for speed, it is for understanding the behavior of the numbers. Okay, so we will get on with the multiplication of 6-digit number by 11. Okay, I don't start with 2 digits. We will start directly with 6 digits and then go backwards. No harm in it, because this is as easy as 2 digits. And many of you already know how to do the 2 digits. So let us start with 6-digit number. Nothing could be simpler than this. Nothing could be simpler. Look, straight away when you have to multiply by 11, you simply do this. Drop the first number as it is, 4. Now drop the last number as it is, 2. Let me change the pen now. So you have 4 here, 2 here. As it is, we have written the boundary numbers, rightmost number and leftmost number, the most significant number and the least significant digits we have written as it is. Now you don't have to do much. You simply add these two and write here, or you can remember, that is okay, but why bother, simply write here 4 and 2 6. Okay, I write here. Now you add these two and 3. Okay, next numbers, here I have added 4 and 2, here you add 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is 5. Now you add 3 and 1. 3 and 1 is how much? 4. Now you add 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is how much? 6. And you add the 10th digit and the unit digit. 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. The job is done. Nothing. Only you use these numbers. 4, 6, 5. See, I am reproducing this here. 5, 4, 6, 7. Now we put a thousand separator. 4,654,672. That's the answer. That as it is, as simple as that. Nothing complicated. Nothing could be more easier than this. But we will check it with a calculator. So I will write 423,152 multiply with 11. Let us check. 465 4672. 465 4672. Calculator is working fine at this. You would be able to do it in seconds. Why we learn about this kind of things? Why I wish that kids learn about this. Imagine a kid being forced to learn the table of 11. Imagine a kid being forced to learn the table of 13, 9, 7. His understanding of mathematics is a crude job. Only you have to hammer it inside your head, then only things work. But mathematics is beautiful. Mathematics is on patterns. Now, the same person who has been rote learning, once he comes across such kind of a beautiful equation and he sees, my goodness, this makes sense. If this can be replicated to another one, then I don't have to rote learn table of 11. I can forget 11 multiply 10, 11 multiply 6. I can tell you 423, 152 multiply by 11. So why I need to learn table of 11? But tell me if it can be replicated here. 6 digit we tried. Can we replicate the same method in 5 digit? Then I am sold. Yes. Let us try. And without doing anything, you should be able to spell out the number. You spell out one by one and start from left to right. You can straight away say 3. This time we won't do this. Straight away, let us see. We will straight away 3. 3 and 6, 9, 6 and 2, 8, 2 and 5, 7, 5 and 4, 9 and 4. This is the answer. But we will check it with calculator. 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, multiply 11, 398, 794. 398,794. See, as a parent, if you have a small kid who fears mathematics, this kind of exercises, they infuse confidence in the kid. They infuse confidence that, oh, so if this is mathematics, I can do it. But if mathematics is sold or taught as only a rote learning exercise, this is what puts people off the course of learning mathematics. So this is why I say this multiply by 11 is a beautiful exercise. Once somebody sees this, say, wow, this is something I would fall for it if the same thing works 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit. Beautiful. Then I won't remember the table. I can apply this one straight away. Okay, this we just did by memory, but we will do it in a more explanation way. Simply like the same, drop 3 as it is, drop 4 as it is. So you have the boundary numbers, this and this. Now simply add 3 and 6, right here 9. Add 6 and 2, right here 8. Add 2 and 5, right here 7. 5 and 4, you write here 9. So the answer is 398,794. 398,794. We put a thousand separator here. The answer is 398,794. 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, multiply 11. 398,794. The calculator is working and this trick is also working. So if a kid who thinks he is only capable of, who is made to think, that he is small, he can only handle numbers 10, 2 digits, 3 digits. Grade 1 student. Imagine the kind of confidence he will get if he gets to handle these numbers. His confidence will shoot through the roof. And he would say, come on mathematics, I love you. He would want to do this with anything. He would go out, brag about his new learning. Can he do the same thing about the learning that he learns with grade 2 textbooks? Grade 2 textbook, he has nothing to brag about. He feels small, but here he is feeling big. Imagine, he has run into millions now. He has run into hundreds of thousands without doing anything except addition. Addition, anybody knows, up to 10. 6 and 5, 4 and 2, 3, 6. And then give him a calculator, add it up and see his confidence, see the big broad smile on his face. That way. We have to bring mathematics from high pedestal to the playing level with kids. So this is my idea and this is what I strive to do. And everybody has their own kind of understanding. My understanding is mathematics should be fun to do. Not everything can be fun, but whatever we can take away, the hard work, that rote learning part, we should strive to do it. Okay, now can we apply the same thing in 4 digit? Okay, let us go. Same here, we drop 3 as it is. We drop 1 as it is, the last number. And then what we do? Add them up, add them up, add them up. 3 and 4 we say 7. 4 and 2, 4, 5, 6. I will count it as a nursery or grade 1 student. Simple. 4, 2, he cannot add? He can add, of course. And now he's multiplying with 11. He is a big boy now. 4 and 2, 6. And 2 and 1 is 3. 3, 7, 6, 3. 37,631. Imagine how beautiful it is. And we have to make our kids proud of their achievements in mathematics. But what is there to be proud of? They have nothing to show that way. Grade 2 kids, okay. 7 का table याद किया. That is something to be proud of. There is nothing to be proud of if you are remembering a table of 7. Nothing. What is there? Everybody is remembering it. We have to give them something that lifts them where they are right now. And then they go up and say, my goodness, I have learned this and my peers are still doing 7 table. We have to give them confidence. Once they get confident, they would do more mathematics. Once they do more mathematics, they have less chances of failure. The fear for mathematics is the biggest problem. Once they fear mathematics, they would spend less time here. Once they spend less time here, they would fail more. And then they would say, oh my goodness, yes, I am not good at mathematics. So we have to give them this kind of empowering exercises. Okay, now 3 digit. Now when you have done 6, what is this for you? But anyway, we will do it just for the sake of explanation and clarity. We drop 3 as it is, we drop 5 as it is. 3 and 4, 7, 4 and 5, 9. Now you see 3, 7, 9, 5, 3795 is the answer, but we would still check it. 345 multiply 11 is 3795. The calculator is working. Now here 62 multiply 11. When you come across 62 multiply 11, there is nothing. The board left and right digits are only 2 and there is only one space where they both add and drop. So when you come across 2, simply write 6, add them together, drop it in between. 6 and plus 2 is 8. That is 6 plus 2. Okay, it goes in between and 2 goes here, 62. Simply 62, 2 goes down here, 6 goes down here, 6 and 2, 8, 8 goes here. So this is how multiplication of 11 worked out. Okay, but here, this is for little kids, fine. But what if we do little bigger job with the kids? Kids are always interested in challenges. Should we stop here? We should stop here because what comes next is challenging. But if I ask the kid, would you be interested in something challenging here? They would jump at the opportunity because they have already handled this and their confidence is already here. They are already interested. They are already enthusiastic about this. So if I ask you, would you be interested? See here. One thing you may have noticed, these exercises are, simpler exercises where the sum did not exceed 9, single digit. 4 and 2, 6, 2 and 3, 5, 3 and 1, 4, 1 and 5, 6, 5 and 7, 12, 5 and 2, 7. Nowhere we came across a situation where the sum of the digits was 2 digits. What could be like that? Okay, fine. I'll give you an example, then you would understand what I'm talking about. And if you are willing, you can watch the video further and learn about that trick as well. Why we should not learn? We should learn bigger things. Even if it is difficult for you right now, spend some time with it. Don't learn? No problem. Drop it. Go ahead. Then you come back and learn again. Then you don't understand? No problem. Video stays here. You come back and learn again. That I will just explain. Just give me little time. Like imagine we did 62 here. 6 we kept here. 2 we kept here. And 6 plus 2 we dropped here. Okay? This was the situation. But what if I multiply? Instead of 62, I multiply 66 with 11. This is the issue. So when I drop 6, it goes here. When I drop 6, it goes here. And what we decided to do, we would add the numbers and drop it in between. Okay, fine. When I add 6 and 6, problem. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So there is no space here for 2 digits. There is only 1 digit here. So what to do? This is the situation we would be handling for all the cases where instead of 2, here it is 8, here it is 9, here it is 7. Now, interested? Now I say 9. 489,759 multiplied by 11. What will be the answer? I know these are scary questions. You are not supposed to handle this, but any primary kid can do it. Little as exertion, little commitment, and little effort is of course required, and I know you are all ready for doing that because there is fun ahead. Once you start taking up challenges, then life becomes fun. Now you see 489,000. Imagine yourself doing it without calculator. 489,759 multiply 11. Want to do it? We will start here and go back up to here. All carry forward numbers where they sum up to more than 2 digits. Let us do it. We will do it. Okay. Now see, the equation is very simple. Same thing. Drop 4, write 4. Drop 4, write 9. These two same. Now you see, when you add 4 and 8, the answer is how much? 8 plus 4 is 12. So what you do? You drop 2 here. 12, the unitary you drop, and 1 you carry forward to this 1. So what this one becomes? 4 becomes 5. Okay, so we already have 2 digits. Now you see 8 and 9 you add. How much it is 8 and 9? 8 and 9 is 17. But 7 you keep here, and where the 1 goes? 1 goes here. Left. It goes left because it is carry forward. So instead of 2 you write 3. Now 9 plus 7. How much? 9 plus 7 is 16. You drop 6 here and 1 you carry here. Instead of 7 you write 8. Okay. Now 7 and 5. So 7 plus 5 is 12 here. 2 you drop here and 1 you carry forward here. 6 becomes 7. Fine. 5 plus 9, how much? 14. So you write 5 plus 9 is 14. So 4 you drop here and 1 goes where? 1 goes to the left. Makes 2, 3. What else now? Come on, we did a great job here. Multiplied it with 11 with carry forward. Yes, let's see if we succeeded here. 489,759 multiply 11 is 5387349. You would not need a calculator to do it. And what did we achieve? Nothing. Nobody is going to give us any marks. Nobody is going to give us a pat on our back. You see how much pride you feel in your heart when you do this kind of question. That pride will keep you moving forward. You don't look for appreciation in your peers' eyes. You don't look for appreciation in your parents' eyes or anywhere else. You do this for yourself. Don't do this for your parent. Don't do this for your school teacher or for anybody in the world. You do this for yourself. If you feel satisfied, if you feel, my goodness, yes, we did it, then you will say, my goodness, why 6 digits? Why not 10 digits? Let me do it. And you have a calculator. If you don't have a calculator, any mobile has a calculator. Cross-check, keep cross-checking, keep doing it. And what you need, you don't need expensive equipment. You don't need nothing for doing mathematics. What you need is a pen and a paper. Ramanujan did not even have a pen and a paper. He was doing everything on slate. So we have all the equipment. The only thing that is missing is some interesting exercises to get you going that I will provide, and you just do exercise to your heart's content and cook up your own questions. Don't wait somebody else to give you questions. Cook up your own questions and keep doing it. Look here, 489,759 multiply 11 you have done. Carry forward. Should I do one more question here? Instead of doing 6 digits, should we do 5 digits? Okay, that is doing. See here, 36, we added, but now we will make it this way so that there is a carry forward. And we will use all the digits more than 4, 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 6, like that we will use. Okay, now 5 digit we need. Give me the digits. I should write 5. Why not 9? Why not 8? Why not 9? Why not 6? Big enough? Multiply 11. Give it to a grade 10 kid. He would be scared because he did mathematics only to please his teachers, to only to answer his questions. He did not do mathematics for pleasure. And you are doing mathematics for your own fun, for your own self, and you are enjoying this. So you can beat anybody in the world. So interest is your starting point. Now you see, same way, we drop 5, we drop 6. So 5 and 6, nothing is going to change. Okay, fine. Now what we do? 5 plus 9. We write 5 plus 9. How much is 5 plus 9? Oh, no problem. 5 you give 1 to 9. 9 becomes 10. And what 5 is left with? 4. So 9 plus 4 is 5 is 14. So what you do? 14. 4 you write here. And 1 you carry forward to next one. See, I could ask you to keep writing 1 here and add it later. But why do it later? You do it right now. Make it 6. Okay. Now, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is how much? Again, 9. 8, give 1 here. So, 8 becomes 7 and becomes 10. So, 17. 17. Drop 7 here. And 1 you carry here. 4 becomes what? 4 becomes 5. See, if you don't understand this, walk up to your parents. They might be able to help you. Many a times I am explaining something, it is not very clear. You can ask your parents to, help you figure it out. Or write to me, I will answer it. I will make another small video for you. Okay. So 17 is done. Now 9 plus 8 again. Oh, we just did it 17. So 17, drop 7 here. Okay. Then 1 where it goes? 1 it goes here. It becomes 8. Now 9 plus 6. How much 9 plus 6? Again 6, give 1 9. 1 to 9, 9 becomes 10 and 9 plus 6 becomes 15. 15, drop 5 here and 1 goes as a carry forward and make 7 what? Make 7. This is why I love live classes, because kids are with me and we are all having fun. When I ask what goes, then immediately I can spot if somebody has not understood. But in this kind of an interaction, I have no way to know if you have understood it fully. So in case you are stuck, don't worry. Walk up to your parents or your brother, elder brother, anybody. They might be able to explain. They will watch my video and they would only help you with this little bit tiny thing, and then you can move on your own. Okay, so that way. So this is the answer. Let me calculate for you if the answer is correct. 59896 multiply 11. The answer is 658856. So we did it again. There is nothing, only addition, and there is one carry forward. So this one is also taken care of. Now look, first we did 6 digit. Well, now we did 5 digit. Now should we do it 4 digit and with carry forward? Once there is no carry forward, now we will do all digits as plus 5 plus 5. Can you give me some digits, Avi?
So,
say hello to our friends.
hi.
You are too short, you are not coming in the video, but it is okay. Give me some digits. Shall I take 9, 7, 6, 5 multiply 11?
Okay.
Now, if you come across this kind of a situation, then simply do drop 9, drop 5. Okay? Now, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is how much? 16? So we write 16 here. And 16, 6 you drop here. 1 goes
Carry
to the
forward.
left. So 9 becomes 10. Taken care? Now add 7 and 6. 7 and 6 is how much? 13. The first teen. So 13, again drop 3 inside and 1 goes to the left, the carry forward here. So what 6 becomes? 6 becomes 7.
7.
Now add 6 and 5. 6 and 5 is 11. So 11, 1 comes here and 1 goes to the left here.
4.
And 3 becomes 4. So the answer should be 107,415. Can you kindly check and confirm? And if our answer is correct, 9,765 multiply 11,
No, 9,000.
765
9,765.
multiply 11
Multiply 11.
is the answer 107,415. Yes, so the calculator is working well.
Fine.
So what we did, we started with 6 digit where there was no carry forward. I will explain what I taught in the class. First we started with 6 digits where there was no carry forward. I will explain once more. Where there was carry forward, what we did, say, I will repeat so they can also understand. 4, 1, 2, 6, 5, 8, multiply 11. 6 digits. So what we did, we drop 4 here, we drop 8 here. We just add 4 and 1, 5, 1 and 2, 3, 2 and 6, 8, 6 and 5. 11.
We
Made a
write
mistake.
9 here.
Okay, then we will 5 and 8, 13. So we write 3 here and 2. Can you check if the answer is correct? 454,539,238 is the answer of multiplication.
4. Tell me.
412, 412, 658 multiply 11. 4539, 4539, 238. So we did this when you were
Wow,
not near
it
in the
was
class. So would you want to do this one with carry forward? If I change
Sure.
the unit, see this we did in earlier in the class, 3, 4, 5. So 3 we drop here, 5 we drop here. This is how I explain to you. If you have any better idea, tell me. I told the kids 3 you drop as it is, 3, 5 you drop as it is. So then you add 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 5 you drop. Is it right method?
It is good
Okay.
method.
There is any other method if you have in mind, I will do it because you are also on their side. So if I can explain to you, I can explain to them. This is what I assume. But everybody's ladder in mathematics is different. You want to reach here?
You can read
Somebody
from
would
here.
make a ladder, this big ladder he will make, and he will keep one step here, one step here, one step here. But somebody would make this ladder, but he would make steps here, 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 and here. Is there anything wrong in it?
No,
I don't think there is wrong in it. Depending on your own capability, you make your own ladder. You want to reach this height, right? You make small steps. Who cares? So maybe your steps are different. Somebody watching the video, his steps are different. Doesn't matter. Let them make it. They can watch this video 10 times. They can write to us. And then if they say they still don't understand, then you tell me another way to explain the thing to them.
Them.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Multiply 11. Simply 4, 4 and 5, 9,
9.
5 and 6, 11. So 1 comes here and this becomes
0 and this becomes
0 and this becomes
5.
10. You see, you have such a great understanding of numbers. 6 and 7, 13. So it becomes 3 and this
This becomes
becomes
2.
2. 7 and 8, 15. So this becomes 5 and this becomes 4. 8 and 9, 17. So this comes 7 and this becomes 6. 9 and 3, 12. So this becomes 7 and this becomes 8. And then 3. Can you check if our answer is correct? Let me put the 1000 separators here.
Wow.
Ah, my goodness! What number is this? 456, 456,
50,246,823.
Multiply
That's
11.
such a big
5024, 502, 46823. 50,246,823.
Wow, that's huge.
So that is how many seconds it took? That much. So is not it powerful? Don't you feel powerful when you when you do this kind of question? What do you feel inside you?
I feel
You
happy.
feel that you feel happy? Okay, good. Do you think that you should do these questions more?
Yeah, I feel confident some type.
Okay. Now should I write another question?
Like it just feels like wow, I can do such a big question. I can do anything.
Like I asked Mukaddam that day, I asked him, should I ask him a question of 1 billion? He said, 1 billion, I don't want to answer that 1 billion question. I said, he was in nursery, huh? He was in grade 1 or grade?
Yes, I was in
UKG.
UKG.
Then what I asked him, you already know the answer. If I ask you, you will be able to answer just like this. 1 billion multiply 1. He said 1 billion and he was very happy that day. Oh my goodness. His size grew 2 inches. He became 2 inches taller. He was walking like big boy. I answered 1 billion question. Huh? This kind of question should be given to kids, not just to inflate their ego unnecessarily. No.
And you asked one more question. 1 billion multiplied 0 is equal to 0.
Yes, that was another question we asked. But we did not make him unnecessarily confident. It was good question and he answered good. So he ought to be happy. Now you write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 8, 9, multiply 11.
This is
I don't want to even read this number.
wow, what is this number?
You can multiply it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Should I do it once?
Yes.
And then you take up the next one? 9. 9 is that easy. 9 and 8, 17. 7 goes here, 1 goes here.
10.
It becomes 10.
Yes, 10.
8 and 7, 16. Oh! 15. So 5 goes here, 7 becomes 8. 7, 6, 13. 3 comes here, 5 becomes 6. 6, 5, 11. 1 goes here, 3 becomes
4.
4 because there is one carry forward. 5 and 3, 8, 3 and 8, 11, 1, then 1 comes here, 8 becomes 9. 8 and 9, 17, 7, 1 becomes 2. 9 goes as it is. Dang, 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 dang. Ah! So many! 1000 separator, 1000 separator. Ah! 1000 separator, 1 billion!
1 billion, it is 86 million,
86
4,019.
9, 8, 7, 6,
I
5.
can't even read it that
3,
good.
8, 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 8, 9 multiply 11 is equal to 10864.
Goody. And wow, it's so
19279. That sounds like music to my ears. Fun.
good. That's so fun. Now let's resume here and then now I'm going to not do that mistake. I have the mic here. Okay. 8 plus 9.
17.
70. 70. In Hindi it's 17.
17.
17. 9 plus 7.
9 plus 7 करता हूँ तो मैं 10 करता हूँ और सीधे 6 ऐड कर देता हूँ 16.
Yes, that's a great idea and I was also doing to the same.
Because I if I have to handle any number, I'll try to bring it close to 2, 5 or 10.
Yes.
This is my way of doing it. I don't know what your way of doing it.
My way is also same but
Now 7 and 6
see.
I have to add. I will make 7 as 6 and double it and then add 1. This is my way of doing
Yes.
it.
Exactly. But see here, what I will do, my common digits are 10, 5, 4,
Yes, yes. I will learn 4 also.
because 4 is just double ka double. Okay, now 16 came here. 7 plus 6.
6 double 12 plus 1 13.
Exactly.
14 because 6 में से 2 8 को दे दिया 10 बन गया then 6 becomes 4 14. This is how I will do.
1 second, let me recalculate. Oh yeah, your answer is right. The answer is right. Like, because my mic was far again, I'll tell you. 8, I'll get, his way is different. I will tell my way. 6, I will take 2 and put here. So this comes 40. No.
You will turn 8 into 10.
Yes, I'll turn 8 into 10. So comes 10 plus 4. 14. 14. Simple as ease.
Now I will turn 9 into 10. Borrow 1 from 8 so it becomes 7 and then 10 17.
Exact correct answer.
9 plus 5 is again from 5 I will give 1 to 10 9
14
so
is
make
the
it
answer.
10 and then 4 14.
Exactly 14. Now, no, I'm gonna go to underline it. And this red one is looking odd, so you know, wherever I mark red, it feels like we don't have to take this step. But now I'm going to cover it in red. Oh, we're loading it. Okay. Oh, it's a pen for me. Okay, so this number we're going to D. Oh, what is this? Is it? Ow! Is this a pen for me? Don't hit me. Wow. Oh, I feel we can make the wings bend so it will throw Hawa in. Oh no, these wings are making it. Oh no, don't cut me. Okay, so anyway, let's come back here. Oh, is it recording? Oh yeah. For a second I thought that recording is off. Okay, now let's come back to business. Now, 3. Now I'll write it cleaner. Yummy. 1 carry forward, don't forget it. 0, 0 is 0, I'll write here 0. Huh? Really? 0 can be accepted. 0 can be accepted here.
Of course, why not? If it is 0 then we have to write 0.
5. See here, I'm going to tell you. 10, 1, 0. See? 1, 0 is 10 here. 10.
This is
15.
15. 1 0 is 10, 1 5 is 15, like that.
Yeah, shipping.
Like this.
Exact 45 degrees.
1 plus 0 is 10. 1 plus 5 is 15. Now whatever comes here, 17. Hmm.
17. 1 and 6, 16. Don't see, let me delete these arrows. These are struggling. No, I'm getting uncomfortable, I think. And that is a miscalculation. 13, 3, 1 carry forward. 13. Wow, that's amazing! So fast, you see? And I can do this mentally almost in like 30 seconds, even less than 30 seconds, I should say. Like 25 seconds, I can do all this calculation in my brain. I don't want to take the tip, or it would be 40. Thank God it's still working. Okay. Now, simply now. We came to 13. Now we come to 14. 4, 1. Here's the simplest. Now 14. Yes, we can do that again here. My mic has fallen, just a sec. Oh no, I should keep the. Oh no. Work. Yes, I got it and get faulty. You know, sometimes it games contact with water and the ink with water evaporates. Okay, anyway, now 14 is done and we are at the. No, we are at this 14, not at this 14. So 17. And again I'll write 14 and 5 is mandatory. We have to write 5. So now announcing the final answer, and yeah, see, I wrote it not to not to misalign the landing. So I wrote 5 here. So the final is 4, 1, 6, 8, 7, 4. One thing that I just announced.
आप अपना काम करो.
What are you doing there? Are you showing them the calculator?
I'm showing them the final answer.
4, 5, 8, 5, 6.
Huh?
Oh, Punky, I did some mistake. Guys, I did some mistake in the editing. Oh, sorry, not in editing, adding. 4, 1, 6. 6 is 6. 8. Oh no. Guys, here is the issue coming. I'm not writing under this. See? I was just going to add this one here. I have to write it under it. Not to create confusion. Confusion means confusing. Oh, I forgot once again. 3 plus 1 is 4, as everybody knows. So I'm just going to announce it. 4, 1, 6, 8, 7, 4, 5, 8, 4. I wanted to say the calculator is working, and I wanted
4,
to
1,
say
6, 8, 7, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5.
No, I wanted to say that. I just wanted to say that. Let's see if the answer is right. Boom. That's funny. One second, I can cover the camera.
41 billion. 41 billion. 687 million. No. Yes. 4 billion 168 million 745,845 is the answer.
No, I will write A and S is
It's past midnight here and we are going to sleep now. Bye everyone.
But I'll write Q is equal to, so don't get confused, and by the way we can.
और मार्किंग कर दे दो और आंसर करेक्ट मार दो.
Oh yes, I'm going to do it.
ग्रीन से करेक्टिंग मारो और जरा नंबर भी तो देना. अरे
Yeah. Guys, ending always we do something here. No. First, right here. No. So answer is right. This calculation is right. And then, are you ready for the big boom?
Signing off. This is what we want. And anybody who has a clear understanding of addition and carry forward can, even if he does not have any understanding of carry forward, what stops you from learning carry forward now? Learn it.
It is simple, just anything you can.
You don't have any understanding of carry forward. Okay, now is the opportunity. Learn it. What is the problem?
So now you can write a new number here.